मर्यादा है? ये कोई तरीका है? नहीं, ये
unprecedented scenes from inside the Delhi Assembly on your screen. Ousted Delhi Minister Kapil Mishra assaulted by his own party MLAs. He keeps on saying, "Is this the way? You're crossing all limits," but they are not stopping. He was assaulted for protesting and holding up posters inside the house. Can politics and politicians stoop any lower? And this is happening in the national capital, in a party which had promised politics of difference, politics of people. But what you see on your screens is crossing all limits. Once again, a show of strength against their own MLA. Kapil Mishra assaulted even as he tries to break free. He's surrounded by rogue MLAs, and this is the show of strength and dictatorial attitude of Arvind Kejriwal and party out on display, is what the opposition is claiming. We talk more about that. Well, let's go across to Kapil Mishra right away, who's joining us. Mr. Mishra, can you tell us what exactly happened in the Delhi Assembly?
I think you all have seen it, and it has not happened anywhere in the country ever. MLAs hitting, MLAs trying to drag, MLAs trying to kick. It has never happened in the history ever. And it is fear in the eyes of Arvind Kejriwal. Fear that he is exposed. Fear that his corruption is now known to public. I think that fear is making him do all these things.
So, it was on direct orders of Arvind Kejriwal that you were assaulted?
Who can order it otherwise? And I have seen Manish Sisodiya asking Jarnail Singh of Tilak Nagar to go to me. I have seen him doing that. And all the cameras, they tried to shift the direction of camera before hitting me. So it was planned. And all I was demanding that a special session on the corruption done by Arvind Kejriwal and Satinder Jain should be organized at Ramlila Maidan. This was a simple demand. And Arvind Kejriwal has he always talked about organizing Vidhan Sabha session in Ramlila Maidan. So what is the fear now?
But Mr. Mishra, the scenes that are playing out are after you displayed posters also. आपने क्या वहाँ पे posters दिखाए थे आम आदमी पार्टी के खिलाफ?
Yes. I displayed a banner in which it was written that Satinder Jain and Arvind Kejriwal has done corruption. They are involved in Hawala and black money. They have done a medicine scam of worth 300 crore, and a special session should be organized at Ramlila Maidan. And saying banner is not illegal. When they can display an illegal EVM machine inside the assembly, I can't even display a banner inside assembly.
How many people surrounded you, Mr. Mishra? Because the scenes...
Six, seven MLAs were there, and then Marshal came. And even while Marshals were taking me out, they were hitting me.
And were you also threatened verbally?
They were threatening me that I should keep quiet, I should not say a single word. Yes, MLAs were saying ki apni juban band rakhna.
And Mr. Mishra, you plan to have another series of expose, that's what you said, on Saturday. What is to be expected, sir?
Now they are not allowing me to speak in the assembly. Now I will go to public Saturday evening, 5 p.m. Constitution Club. I am going to display all the evidences in front of public of Delhi.
But Mr. Mishra, here is the criticism. You've earlier also alleged corruption. You've alleged bribery against Arvind Kejriwal, but you haven't given out any evidence so far, sir. And that's where the question is, is this just a shoot and scoot politics, or do you have enough evidence to nail Arvind Kejriwal and party?
There are two things. One, I am filing FIRs and cases against them. So let the inquiry be completed. But can you justify this kind of attack in the assembly?
Absolutely not, Mr. Mishra. And that's what the question is. Do you have enough evidence which has rattled Arvind Kejriwal to order such an attack?
Yes, I have enough evidence. That's why he is fearing. Otherwise, he need not to do anything against me if I don't have any evidences. He knows that he is exposed. He knows that his days are over. He knows that the kind of evidences I am giving on Hawala and black money and medicine scam, he knows that people will immediately know it.
So and what kind of evidence are we talking, Mr. Mishra?
I have shown all the evidences to the media as well, and I will be making public each and every single document on Saturday evening 5 p.m.
But also, sir, that why do you stick with Aam Aadmi Party? Because are you waiting for an expulsion or a direct order from them? Why not float your own party?
This is my party. People like me have made this party. We have done movement. I am here since Anna Andolan. Why should I leave? Corrupt people should go. I don't have any corruption charges against me.
But clearly there are MLAs who are opposing your presence in the assembly as well. Your own people turning against you.
It's a long battle. I don't fear. I am not even afraid about they killing me. I will expose the corruption. This party has made to expose the corruption. I am doing my duty.
But do you have any support within the party, sir?
support you will see on Saturday evening. Public is with me.
No, public is with you definitely. Media is also waiting for your expose. But what we saw in the assembly is assault from your own party MLAs.
5-6 MLAs, yes, definitely 5-6 MLAs, yes.
But also, Mr. Mishra, when you say that you will stick to the party come what may, if the scenes which we see on the screens are repeated again, still you would be with the party?
This is my party. This is my party. I am not going to leave this party. I will make corrupt people leave this party.
And Mr. Mishra, would you be approaching the Delhi Lieutenant Governor against what's happened in the assembly today?
I'll think about it. It has just happened. I'll think about it.
Okay, and Mr. Mishra, when we're seeing that you've been assaulted inside the Delhi Assembly, it has happened to the BJP MLAs as well when they've raised their voice. Is it a complete dictatorial attitude that we see from the Aam Aadmi Party?
It has never happened to BJP. Always only marshals came and marshals did their job. MLAs have never attacked. In the history of this country, democratic history, MLAs have never attacked one single MLA. It is happening for the first time.
Absolutely. So, Mr. Mishra, will you again go to Delhi Assembly and repeat your protest?
Yes, I will. No, I will attend every single session. I don't fear anyone.
You will attend every session in spite of what we've seen happen today to you, sir?
Yes, I will attend every session. I will expose the corrupt person.
But will you be asking for security within the Assembly, given that you are in a very vulnerable position?
I don't need that. I don't fear them.
You don't want any security?
They fear me. I don't fear them.
But sir, this is a brazen threat also that is coming from your side and a dare that you will attend the assembly session as an Aam Aadmi Party MLA.
All time, yes.
But Mr. Mishra, if you can also tell us that whether it is protest inside the assembly from your end or outside as well, what seems to be lacking is the support from within your party. Where do we see more MLAs and more ground workers standing with you?
Let's wait for it. My is with me. My God is with me.
So, in fact, Mr. Mishra, be with me because we want to play out your first reaction that you've spoken to India Today team. Be with me right now. So, we want to talk to you more about it. What is your next step? Let's play out that reaction first on India Today.
ठीक है, करने के लिए शुक्रिया। तो कपिल सरकार के पूर्व मंत्री और विधायक कपिल मिश्रा हमारे साथ में मौजूद हैं, जिनके साथ आज दिल्ली विधानसभा में मारपीट की गई। कपिल जी, क्या वाकया हुआ, पूरी तरह विस्तार से बताइए।
मैंने अध्यक्ष महोदय को कल एक पत्र लिखा था और ये मांग की थी कि अरविंद केजरीवाल और सत्येंद्र जैन के घोटालों के ऊपर रामलीला मैदान में विशेष सत्र बुला के वहाँ पे खुलेआम चर्चा होनी चाहिए।
आपको वक्त नहीं दिया गया कि दिया गया?
ना बोलने का वक्त दिया गया, ना मेरे पत्र के ऊपर कोई जवाब दिया गया। और जब मैं अंदर खड़े होकर ये मांग रखी और मैं लिखकर लेके गया क्योंकि मुझे बोलने नहीं दे रहे थे।
क्या लिखा गया था
उसमें? ये लिखा था कि अरविंद केजरीवाल और सत्येंद्र जैन के भ्रष्टाचार पर चर्चा करने के लिए, हवाला, काले धन और दवाइयों के घोटाले पर चर्चा करने के लिए रामलीला मैदान में विशेष सत्र बुलाया जाए।
ये तो हम सब ने देखा कि आप लिख करके लेकर गए थे, आप नारेबाजी कर रहे थे, आप मांग रख रहे थे, लेकिन जो नहीं देखा, जब टीवी ब्लैकआउट कर दिया गया, उस वाकये में क्या हुआ है?
उन्होंने उस वक्त एकदम से सारे कैमरे बंद कर दिए और विधायक मेरे को घेर के मारने लगे। उस वक्त विधायकों ने हमला किया है, लेकिन वहाँ बहुत सारे पत्रकार अंदर थे। कैमरा उन्होंने बंद कर दिया, लेकिन पत्रकारों ने अपनी आंखों से देखा है कि अंदर क्या हुआ।
कौन कौन विधायक थे, किस तरीके से हमला किया गया, कहाँ कहाँ चोट लगी आपको?
2 विधायक मैंने सामने देखे जो सामने से थे, बाकियों ने पीछे से घेरा था। उसमें कस्तूरबा नगर के मदन लाल, तिलक नगर के जर्नैल सिंह थे। मैंने ये भी देखा कि जर्नैल सिंह को मनीष सिसोदिया ने इशारा करके भेजा और वो बहुत दूर से,
मनीष सिसोदिया ने जर्नैल सिंह को इशारा?
बिल्कुल, और इसलिए वो बहुत दूर से आए और मेरे को लगता है कि ये फुटेज अगर पब्लिक कर दें तो सब कुछ दिख जाएगा।
सदन की गरिमा का ख्याल नहीं रखा गया, क्या कहते हैं?
डर। अरविंद केजरीवाल आज एक डरे हुए भ्रष्ट नेता है, एक डरा हुआ अपराधी। जब उसके
डर है उनको?
कपिल मिश्रा से डर लगता है। आज तक उन्होंने कभी बीजेपी वालों को भी इस तरह से बाहर नहीं फिकवाया। विधायक मार्शल आते हैं अगर हटाना होता है, विधायक कभी हमला नहीं करते।
मारपीट आपके साथ में की गई, आगे की रूपरेखा क्या होगी? क्या कपिल मिश्रा भी डरने वाले हैं?
जो जानकारी मेरे को सदन में रखने से रोकी जा रही है, वो सारी जानकारी मैं रामलीला मैदान कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन क्लब में शनिवार को शाम को 5 बजे जनता के बीच में रखूंगा।
मारपीट होती रही तो
कुछ भी करें, चाहे जान से मार दें, जान से मार दे, लेकिन अरविंद केजरीवाल और सत्येंद्र जैन के सारे घोटाले खोल के रहूंगा।
जाहिर से बात है, कपिल मिश्रा जिनका साफ तौर पर यह कहना है कि कितनी भी मारपीट हो जाए, कितनी भी मेरी जान पर मनाए, लेकिन वो अरविंद केजरीवाल और सत्येंद्र जैन के खिलाफ तमाम खुलासे वो करके ही रहेंगे। कैमरामैन अजय ठाकुर के साथ।
It's his first response on India Today. We've just spoken to Kapil Mishra as well. He said that I will continue to attend every session of Delhi Assembly. Their protest cannot deter me. He's also said this is the first time I've been attacked by my own MLAs. And when he said my own MLAs, he's reiterated, I will not leave the party. Come what may, I will be with Aam Aadmi Party. My fight will continue. And he's also made a fresh dare to the Delhi Chief Minister that come Saturday and I will have another expose. It's yet another bomb that Kapil Mishra is planning to drop on Delhi Chief Minister. Let's take a listen into some more reactions coming in.
Team up.
Sir.
right, that's the defense of the Aam Aadmi Party, saying that it was Kapil Mishra who was trying to attack the Delhi Chief Minister. That's why we stopped him. We did not beat him. Kapil Mishra on the other side mulling the next step. Could go to Delhi Lieutenant Governor as well, complaining about what exactly happened in the assembly, which he says is unprecedented. Now, these are the scenes that we've seen play out with the BJP MLAs and the Aam Aadmi Party MLAs on the opposite sides. For the first time, you've seen that Aam Aadmi Party MLAs attacking one of their own ousted minister, Kapil Mishra, who also displayed posters, shouted against the Delhi government. Let me go across right now to my colleague who's joining us at the moment. You have Kumar Kunal, who is with us at the moment. Now, Kumar, take us through that if this is no longer a fight of Aam Aadmi Party's rogue MLA, Kapil Mishra is what they're claiming, and the Aam Aadmi Party, because now Delhi Lieutenant Governor could be approached by Kapil Mishra, allegation coming from Aam Aadmi Party that he is acting at a behest of the opposition.
See, there is every right with Lieutenant Governor Delhi. He can ask for the report from Delhi Assembly Speaker, what has happened to inside the Assembly, and he is within his rights to call a report from Delhi Assembly Speaker. And if Kapil Mishra will approach Lieutenant Governor Anil Baijal, then definitely he can ask for the report. And if he is not satisfied with whatever the Assembly Speaker will tell him, then he might take action. So there are possibilities that actions could be taken against those who have attacked Kapil Mishra. And since there are certain things which is on camera and we are showing it to our viewers, that everything is crystal clear who has attacked Kapil Mishra. There are 4 or 5 MLAs who are clearly being visible in our footage as well. And that will be a very big evidence against those MLAs, and the charges which has been made by Kapil Mishra, it has been the visuals can show that he is very much justified in making his charges. So this is not just a political battle now. You have already said that he was making several charges against Arvind Kejriwal and his ministers for last few days, and now the same frustration can be seen in the Aam Aadmi Party MLAs when they have attacked Kapil Mishra inside Delhi Assembly. And for the first time, I am covering Delhi Assembly for so many years, but for the first time I am witnessing such kind of scene inside Delhi Assembly, and this is more surprising because the party, Aam Aadmi Party, is ruling, and they are very much vocal about expressing themselves, and they all generally say that
absolutely
any charges will be listened to.
Absolutely, Kumar. Absolutely, Kumar. The party that said that we will be accountable to people, we will govern with a difference, we will not stoop to the politics that's witnessed in and across the nation when they came to power, that stooped to the lowest level. They have now completely set aside their promises. They have cheated the people of Delhi as well with these kinds of scenes playing out. Instead of a discussion on the floor, we have these kind of rowdy scenes played by Aam Aadmi Party, the infighting coming out in the open at Delhi Assembly as well. But here is the point. What should Kapil Mishra do? Because when I question him, well, whether he will leave Aam Aadmi Party, raise a banner of revolt away from the Aam Aadmi Party, he refuses to do so.
See, what is happening right now, you must have heard Saurabh Bharadwaj, the Aam Aadmi Party MLA, and he was clearly telling that whatever the MLAs has done, that was preventive step from the MLAs. So Aam Aadmi Party is not accepting that they have attacked. Actually, what point they are taking, that actually Kapil Mishra was violent inside Delhi Assembly, and he approached the chair of the Chief Minister and Deputy Chief Minister, and he wanted to attack those leaders. That's why Aam Aadmi Party actually prevented.
Kumar, here are major questions. First question, why were the cameras blacked out? Second question, that if he was planning and if he attempted to attack the Delhi Chief Minister, why weren't the marshal called in and he was evicted? Third question, what was the need of the Aam Aadmi Party MLAs to surround him like he's a goon? And what was the need, fourth question, of jostling, withholding Kapil Mishra's neck minutes back in Delhi Assembly, rowdy scenes played out where Aam Aadmi Party MLA stooping to a new low, attacking their own ousted Minister Kapil Mishra. Aam Aadmi Party claiming that he was trying to attack the Delhi Chief Minister. Kapil Mishra got violent and they were just trying to restrain him. But on the screens, you can also see Kapil Mishra dragged, beaten, slapped, choked as well by Aam Aadmi Party MLAs. According to his own account, he was surrounded by 6 to 7 Aam Aadmi Party MLAs. He said it's unprecedented. I've never seen these kind of scenes play out, and it's not BJP versus Aam Aadmi Party that you're seeing. What you're seeing is infighting of the Aam Aadmi Party coming out in the open in the Delhi Secretariat, and it's a shame for the Delhi Chief Minister who had promised a governance of a difference. Take a listen into the sequence how Aam Aadmi Party MLA Kapil Mishra is saying don't cross your limits, asking them to let go. But what happened next was the television screens were blacked out in the Delhi Assembly. We also spoke to Kapil Mishra after he was assaulted inside. Here's a reaction.
कोई मारपीट नहीं हो रही, कोई मारपीट नहीं हो रही, किसी तरह की मारपीट नहीं हो रही।
तो दिल्ली सरकार के पूर्व मंत्री और विधायक कपिल मिश्रा हमारे साथ में मौजूद है, जिनके साथ आज दिल्ली विधानसभा में मारपीट की गई। कपिल जी, क्या वाकया हुआ, पूरी तरह विस्तार से बताइए।
मैंने अध्यक्ष महोदय को कल एक पत्र लिखा था और ये मांग की थी कि अरविंद केजरीवाल और सत्येंद्र जैन के घोटालों के ऊपर रामलीला मैदान में विशेष सत्र बुला के वहाँ पे खुलेआम चर्चा होनी चाहिए।
आपको वक्त नहीं दिया गया कि दिया गया?
ना बोलने का वक्त दिया गया, ना मेरे पत्र के ऊपर कोई जवाब दिया गया। और जब मैं अंदर खड़े होकर ये मांग रखी और मैं लिखकर लेके गया क्योंकि मुझे बोलने नहीं दे रहे थे।
क्या लिखा गया था
उसमें? ये लिखा था कि अरविंद केजरीवाल सत्येंद्र जैन के भ्रष्टाचार पर चर्चा करने के लिए, हवाला, काले धन और दवाइयों के घोटाले पर चर्चा करने के लिए रामलीला मैदान में विशेष सत्र बुलाया जाए।
ये तो हम सब ने देखा कि आप लिख करके लेकर गए थे, आप नारेबाजी कर रहे थे, आप मांग रख रहे थे, लेकिन जो नहीं देखा, जब टीवी ब्लैकआउट कर दिया गया, उस वाकये में क्या हुआ है?
उन्होंने उस वक्त एकदम से सारे कैमरे बंद कर दिए और विधायक मेरे को घेर के मारने लगे। उस वक्त विधायकों ने हमला किया है, लेकिन वहाँ बहुत सारे पत्रकार अंदर थे। कैमरा उन्होंने बंद कर दिया, लेकिन पत्रकारों ने अपनी आंखों से देखा है कि अंदर क्या हुआ।
कौन कौन विधायक थे, किस तरीके से हमला किया गया, कहाँ कहाँ चोट लगी आपको?
2 विधायक मैंने सामने देखे जो सामने से थे, बाकियों ने पीछे से घेरा था। उसमें कस्तूरबा नगर के मदन लाल, तिलक नगर के जर्नैल सिंह थे। मैंने ये भी देखा कि जर्नैल सिंह को मनीष सिसोदिया ने इशारा करके भेजा और वो बहुत दूर से,
मनीष सिसोदिया ने जर्नैल सिंह को इशारा किया?
बिल्कुल, और इसलिए वो बहुत दूर से आए और मेरे को लगता है कि ये फुटेज अगर पब्लिक कर दें तो सब कुछ दिख जाएगा।
सदन की गरिमा का ख्याल नहीं रखा गया, क्या कहते हैं?
डर। अरविंद केजरीवाल आज एक डरे हुए भ्रष्ट नेता है, एक डरा हुआ अपराधी। जब उसके
डर है उनको?
कपिल मिश्रा से डर लगता है। आज तक उन्होंने कभी बीजेपी वालों को भी इस तरह से बाहर नहीं फिकवाया जिस प्रकार से विधायक मार्शल आते हैं अगर हटाना होता है, विधायक कभी हमला नहीं करते।
मारपीट आपके साथ में की गई, आगे की रूपरेखा क्या होगी? क्या कपिल मिश्रा भी डरने वाले हैं?
जो जानकारी मेरे को सदन में रखने से रोकी जा रही है, वो सारी जानकारी मैं रामलीला मैदान कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन क्लब में शनिवार को शाम को 5 बजे जनता के बीच में रखूंगा।
मारपीट होती रही तो
कुछ भी करें, चाहे जान से मार दें, जान से मार दें, लेकिन अरविंद केजरीवाल और सत्येंद्र जैन के सारे घोटाले खोल के रहूंगा।
Kapil Mishra has also added that he will be approaching the Delhi Lieutenant Governor and he is contemplating.
Let's now go across live and exclusive. Joining us at this time, Aam Aadmi Party MLA, who's now been ousted from the party, Kapil Mishra, was attacked viciously by AAP MLAs inside the Delhi Assembly. इस वक्त कपिल मिश्रा हमारे साथ इंडिया टुडे ग्रुप पे जुड़ गए हैं। कपिल जी, ये तस्वीरें सब लोग देख रहे हैं इस वक्त और सब हैरत हैं कि असेंबली के भीतर किसी विधायक के साथ रूलिंग पार्टी जो है वो इस तरह का व्यवहार कर सकती है। आप हमारे दर्शकों को तफसील से बताएं कि एग्जैक्टली हुआ क्या, क्योंकि हमने ये तस्वीरें देखी, आपकी पिटाई हो रही है, कई लोग मिलकर आपको पीट रहे हैं। उससे पहले क्या हुआ कपिल जी?
देखिए, मैंने कल विधानसभा के अध्यक्ष महोदय को एक पत्र लिखा था और पत्र में मैंने ये लिखा कि अरविंद केजरीवाल और सत्येंद्र जैन जी के सगे संबंधियों पर छापे पड़ रहे हैं, हवाला के डिटेल सामने आ रहे हैं, दवाइयों का घोटाला खुल चुका है और इन सब पे चर्चा करने के लिए एक स्पेशल सेशन असेंबली का रामलीला मैदान में जनता के सामने बुलाया जाना चाहिए, जहां इन सारे मुद्दों पर खुलकर चर्चा हो। उस पत्र का मेरे को कोई जवाब नहीं मिला। मैंने उस पत्र में 5 मिनट बोलने का टाइम भी मांगा था और आज जब दवाइयों के घोटाले की बात सदन में हुई तो अरविंद केजरीवाल जोर जोर से ठहाके लगा के हंसने लगे। तो इसके बाद मैं खड़ा हुआ और मैंने ये कहा कि रामलीला मैदान में सत्र की मैंने मांग की है, मुझे बोलने दिया जाए। जब मुझे बोलने नहीं दिया गया तो मैंने एक लिखा हुआ बैनर जिसमें यह मांग लिखी थी कि सत्येंद्र जैन और अरविंद केजरीवाल के भ्रष्टाचार पर विशेष सत्र बुलाया जाना चाहिए, वो बैनर मैं खोल के खड़ा हुआ और जैसे ही वो बैनर मैंने खोला, विधायकों ने मेरे को घेर लिया और एक विधायक ने सामने से घेरा और उसके बाद कुछ लोगों ने पीछे से पकड़ा। मनीष सिसोदिया जी ने तिलक नगर के एमएलए जर्नैल सिंह को खास तौर पर कहा कि वो मेरी तरफ जाएं, वो मैंने अपनी आंखों से देखा उनको ऐसा इशारा करते हुए, और फिर जर्नैल सिंह आए और अचानक मेरे को मारने लगे और तब तक मार्शल भी नहीं बुलाए गए। कैमरा भी कई जगह पर हटा लिया गया वहां से, जिससे कि कैमरे में वो दृश्य सारे लोग ना देख पाएं। और अध्यक्ष महोदय लगातार ऑन रिकॉर्ड बोल